It is bean, egg, and cheese burrito day. Had some leftover beans from yesterday, so I'm refrying them. And some eggs. I love cooking outdoors. There's my front yard, backyard, side yard. And this morning, this is not Spam, but it is corned beef in the can. Y'all remember these? Got the little key. Yeah. Eating some corned beef. And I'm just frying it up this morning with some toast and a fried egg. And that's going to be breakfast. Tomorrow, I'm going to make a corned beef hash out of it. I have some diced potatoes in a can. So I saved half of this can for in the morning. And this morning we are having corned beef hash. That is canned potatoes and that canned corned beef. This is the third meal we've had on the corned beef. So that's 6 meals out of that one can of corned beef. So this is beef chorizo. We're having this for breakfast. We're having chorizo, egg, and cheese burritos. Another cheap breakfast meal. This is 1 tube of beef chorizo is $1.42 at Walmart. You definitely want to drain this off, which I'm going to do. Cook the eggs and add this back in. Now that's the chorizo that has been drained, and then I'll just put that back into the eggs. There's my eggs starting to cook. And I put 4 eggs, which we'll probably eat half of this today and the rest tomorrow for breakfast. Get 4 meals out of it.